Lenses are the most flexible and impactful upgrade for an entry to mid-level DSLR like the Nikon D5300. The right glass can unlock sharper images, better low-light performance, and expanded framing options without needing a new body. This comparison tests a range of options from budget attachments to native Nikon zooms, highlighting
List number 1. Nikon 55 to 200 mm f4 to 5.6G ED-AF AFS DX VR vibration reduction. A compact telephoto zoom with VR, ED glass elements, and silent wave motor for fast, quiet AF. The lens is positioned as a lightweight, budget-friendly option for DX format Nikon bodies, delivering reach from moderate telephoto to long focal lengths. It ships as bulk packaging in some listings, but the core optical performance remains solid for enthusiasts seeking improved reach without a heavy lens lineup. Pros emphasize its balance of cost and performance, compact form factor, and the VR stabilization for handheld shooting. Deeper analysis. The 55 to 200 mm ED elements help mitigate chromatic aberration across the zoom range, and the SWM offers quick, quiet focusing suitable for family events or wildlife from a distance. At f4 to 5.6G, you'll want to rely on good light or higher ISO in low-light scenes, as you'll feel the aperture limitation, particularly at longer focal lengths. Focus breathing and slight vignetting can appear in corner regions, but for typical DX photography, portraits, sports, travel, the lens remains a practical upgrade over kit glass. Its 9-ounce weight supports comfortable all-day use on the D5300 with minimal balance issues. List number 2. Nikon AF-S DX Nikkor 18 to 140 mm f3-5-5.6G ED vibration VR. This is a versatile all-in-one zoom lens spanning wide to telephoto, designed for DX format Nikon bodies. VR, or vibration reduction, helps stabilize handheld shots, and the focal range covers a broad spectrum suitable for travel, landscapes, and everyday shooting. The renewed listing includes original accessories and a 90-day warranty, providing a balance of value and reliability for budget-conscious buyers who want broad coverage without swapping lenses frequently. Pros emphasize the convenience of a single lens for most situations, as well as good VR performance for the price. Deep dive. In use, the 18 to 140 mm performance hinges on its variable aperture and optical design. At 18 mm, you'll benefit from the wide field of view, though sharpness edges may soften toward the extremes, while 140 mm is respectable for distance, with VR helping to stabilize. The ED elements improve contrast and reduce chromatic aberration relative to cheaper zooms, and the silent wave motor delivers smooth AF. The 1.28-pound weight makes it a practical walk-around lens for street photography and travel. Its macro-like close focusing distance of about 1.48 feet is a notable attribute for close-up scenes, but users should expect some softness at the telephoto end and across the frame at the extremes, especially in lower light.
List number 3. Altura Photo 52mm 0.43x HD wide-angle lens with macro. This is a lens attachment, not a camera body lens, designed to screw onto a 52mm filter thread to expand the field of view and add a detachable macro capability. It's positioned as a very affordable, quick add-on that can widen perspective on existing Nikon lenses that use a 52mm front thread. It specifies compatibility with a broad set of Nikon DX bodies, D5300 among them, and notes macro functionality via the detachable element. The slim build and very low price point make it attractive for travelers or hobbyists seeking an inexpensive experimenter option. Pros often highlighted include the simplicity of use, the notable wide-angle effect for group shots, and the macro capability for small subject close-ups when the macro portion is engaged. Performance-wise, the attachment relies on your primary lens for image quality. You'll likely encounter soft corners and distortion at the edges due to the rudimentary optics and the fixed 52mm threading, which limits applicability to lenses with matching thread size and may magnify vignetting on wider field of view settings. It is not a native Nikon focal length, so AF performance is entirely dependent on your camera's existing lens, and the attachment does not provide optical stabilization. In practice, this makes it best suited for experimental landscapes, interior architecture shots, or macro and close opportunities when you can frame carefully. The macro capability is a bonus but should be used with caution, as working distance and potential focus breathing can impact sharpness.
List number 4. Nikon AFP-DX Nikkor 7300mm f4.5 to 6.3 GED lens for D5300. This listing shows a renewed Nikon telephoto option with a long reach, featuring ED elements and a lightweight design typical of budget telephotos. The lens is aimed at shooters who want substantial zoom reach without the heft or cost of higher-end glass. It leverages newer motor systems for smoother focusing on compatible bodies, though the exact AF motor model, AFP, suggests improved autofocus performance on newer bodies, but compatibility with older bodies may be less optimized. Deeper analysis. In practical use on the D5300, you can expect solid reach for wildlife, sports, or distant landscapes. Autofocus with AFP is generally quick and quiet, particularly on bodies that support the newer stepping motor. However, performance can vary with lighting and subject contrast, and the f4.5 to 6.3 aperture is relatively modest for indoor or dusk shooting. The long focal length increases the need for image stabilization and tripod use, but the lens remains a budget-friendly way to achieve telephoto results without changing lenses frequently.
List number 5. Nikon AFS-DX Nikkor 55 to 300mm f4.5 to 5.6G ED vibration. This is a telephoto zoom offering a longer reach than the 55 to 200mm, with VR stabilization, ED elements, and silent wave motor for efficient AF on Nikon DX bodies. It sits at a premium price point in renewed condition, delivering extended reach for subjects at a distance, such as wildlife or sports. Its 58mm filter thread is a standard size, aiding compatibility with common filters and attachments. The lens provides greater magnification and a more versatile telephoto range for the D5300. Performance-wise, the 55 to 300mm is notably more capable at longer focal lengths, delivering improved subject isolation and compression. VR helps counteract camera shake when shooting at 300mm, though you'll still want a steady stance or a tripod for critical shots. The build includes HRI elements and ED glass to maintain contrast and reduce aberrations, but the longer focal length can magnify minor optical flaws at the extreme ends and in lower light. The renewed status with a 90-day warranty adds reassurance for daily shooters who need dependable reach without stepping up to pro-level glass.